If you want to set a different wallpaper for lock and home screen on Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro, then in that case we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we're gonna proceed to customization, and then in here of course we can go to more wallpapers in order to pick a wallpaper that we wish to use on our phone. Of course first we need to choose the first wallpaper that we want to apply for one of these screens, and then we're gonna set up the second. So let's say I'm gonna choose this wallpaper in here as an example. We're gonna tap on this check in the upper right corner, and now in here as you can see we have lock screen and home screen, and we can decide on which screen it should be applied. So we can tap on these screens in order to choose which screen should be changed. So let's say I'm gonna set up the selected wallpaper for home screen only. As you can see now we have the outline only on the home screen, and we're gonna tap on done in the upper right corner. And of course after that we need to set up the second wallpaper. So if you want to change the other wallpaper as well, we can just choose another one. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one this time. We're gonna tap on this check in the upper right corner, we're gonna uncheck the home screen and then set on done. And there we go. Now as you can see we have two different wallpapers. Leave a like and subscribe.